I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate.
All right, day 2, Mount Rainier. Today we're hiking the Fremont Overlook trail up in the sunrise section. And you can see it's a little misty today. Good weather for a hike, nice and cool. Hopefully some of the views will open up in a little bit. You can see a lot of fog.
Throughout my veins, I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night.
We're about 2 miles in the Fremont Trail, and this is a great little ridge. It's like we're hiking in the clouds. Very cool. I can see the summit over there. Should be there soon. Check out the views. All right, we made it to the peak of Fremont Trail. We're at the fire lookout now. There's Lauren taking pictures and videos of, let's see. There we go. Bunch of clouds. So, not the best lookout, but it was a really good hike. And here we go, we're gonna head back down. All right, we're continuing on Fremont Trail. We're actually gonna do the loop. So instead of going out and back, I'm gonna add a little to this hike, just a couple miles, but should be worth it. Yeah, maybe catch some more views. Hopefully get a view of Rainier. But yeah, this is what we got. Mount Rainier covered in the clouds and the fog. But you can see, if you look, you can see the summit just peeking out. The rest of it's covered though. And a little over there. Not much. loop. Mount Rainier is totally covered, as usual. Finally, you see a little of Rainier peeking out over there. There he is. Very cool. There we go, just a little bit coming out. Hey, we're at the end of the sunrise loop back at the parking lot here. Got about almost 8 miles in, 1600 elevation. Really great hike. Finally got some good views, and we're back. So see you on the next trail.